Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out here video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And if you say pineapple, orange, apple, kiwi juice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Who call the description box now? Ingredients in the ewo. Yes, that's it. Ubo krene wo apple, orange, kiwi, pineapple. Ubi anu etwitwa. We ye apple a ma etwitwa. Wo de egu ade a wo be blend wo mu. Ubi anu de kiwi so eden aka ho. Pineapple aka ho. Wodi nso kakra eden egu mu no wa blend ni nyina together. Wa blend no dey si in chain. Na wa ko akutuo no so. Na wa chi mu nso ni nyina. Wa chi mu awie no wa so ni nyina together. One mixing nyina together. Na wa sisa gu bottle mu anase oja ade apese wo store wo mu no. Na wa eden wa sisa ede egu mu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. To make send in the egu bottle mu. Uwia na wakata so. Uhwe na do so betimi a store bi wo freezer. Uhia na we yesi wo no wa manadwo ansa na wanom. Eno so betimi da she fridge mu. Ni nyina gina star open no. Juice wey ye juice bi a anwode wo mu pa. Afen so it tastes really great. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our apple, pineapple, orange, kiwi juice. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.